In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your ElevenLabs account. So go ahead and open your web browser, head to the ElevenLabs website, and sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Dashboard Hub, which will be your starting point for everything you need to do within the platform. Now, from your dashboard, look for the section labeled Voices. This is where you'll customize your voice options for your projects. Click on that, and it will take you to a page filled with different voice options available to you. Next, to access the voice customization options, you'll see a button labeled Filters. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up a menu where you can refine your voice selection based on various criteria, including language. In the Filters menu, look for the Language field. This is usually marked quite clearly, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Once you see it, click on the Language field. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying a list of available international languages that you can choose from. Take a moment to scroll through the list and see which languages are available. Depending on your project, you might want to select a specific language to better appeal to your audience. Once you've found the language you want, simply click on it. It's important to note that once you select your desired language, the platform will filter the available voices automatically. This means you'll only see voices that match the language you've selected, making it easier for you to find the perfect fit for your multilingual project requirements. Look through the filtered list of voices. You'll notice that each option may have different characteristics, like tone, pitch, and clarity. This is great because it allows you to choose a voice that not only speaks the language you want, but also fits the style and tone of your project. Once you've found a voice you like, you can test it out right there on the platform. This will give you a better idea of how it sounds and if it meets your needs. If you're satisfied with your choice, you're all set. Just remember to save any changes you've made before exiting the page. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in ElevenLabs and found a voice that will enhance your project. Remember, whether you're looking to create engaging content for an international audience or simply want to experiment with voices in different languages, the process is quite straightforward. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on using ElevenLabs and other tools. I hope you enjoy working on your multilingual projects, and I'll see you in the next